Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and let's talk a little bit about AI, Google, and Samsung in the news. This is big news, actually. So, Google is the top search provider in the world. It is the top advertiser in the world online, and so all of it is tied together with search and advertising. Now, a lot of companies were paying Google to have the search engine included in their devices. So Google actually has paid Apple, for example, hundreds of millions of dollars to have Google search. And it probably had the same kind of pact with Samsung, where it would pay it so that Samsung uses the Google search engine. Now, something interesting, and it's kind of an interesting contrast also because Samsung phones and devices use a variation of Android, which, after all, is a Google kind of, you know, operating system, if you want. A lot of it is around Google and around all of this. So now there's a panic because there's been talk that Samsung is thinking of ditching Google search and for Bing for a simple reason, because of the Bing AI. Now, a lot of companies and a lot of people have talked about how artificial intelligence, the Bing AI, the ChatGPT, and all of that could really break Google model in terms of advertising and search, because it actually is so much different. But honestly, I think we're thinking about that a little too fast, because as we see the AI work, it's far from being perfect, and it's far from being something that, for me, can replace a good search. But yet it's going to get better, and that would be a big move if Samsung actually started using Bing. I mean, that would be a big move for Microsoft, a big win for Microsoft, having its Bing engine and what is the second biggest manufacturer of devices, mobile devices in the world. So I don't know. This is kind of an interesting take. I don't think, first of all, AI is ready. I personally am not that fond of having Bing as a search, because it's so crappy that I would probably not use it. But it probably scares Google a lot, because who's going to be next? And Samsung phones are a big, big market. So this is very interesting. What do you guys think about this? Do you think Google will lose a lot of its market share due to Bing AI? Do you think it's just a scare off, but they'll just stay with Google in the end? And Google demonstrated its own AI, Bard, which didn't work that well. But then again, Bing doesn't work that well when you start going deeper into it either. So, we're going to see what's going to happen. But that's big news, actually, that Bing and Samsung would be associated in future smartphones. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.